On today's menu, a delicious recipe everybody will love and you surely won't get roasted for. Oven roasted tomato pesto. Lei hou ma everyone, I'm Will Young. This simple recipe is absolutely flavor-packed. Tomato pesto. Preheat your oven to 375. Slice about a pound of roma tomatoes into wedges. I'm using roma tomatoes because they have less moisture. Salt. Pepper. A generous drizzle of olive oil. Toss. Baking tray. Now you've seen my potato wedges episode. You'll understand why we place the wedge on the skin side down, because this way the air inside the oven will go all the way around and you'll never have to flip it. Line your tomatoes on a baking tray, skin side down. Bake in the oven for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Blender. A couple cloves of garlic, roasted tomatoes, a generous handful of basil, a generous pinch of salt, pepper, a couple tablespoons of pine nuts, or more economically, peanuts, a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Blend on medium-high. Tamper. Place in a container and store it in the fridge for your next recipe. You can now make this easy and delicious pesto with absolute confidence. With just a few ingredients, you can make this flavor-packed pesto that is just amazing. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.